All right, guys, I just unboxed a power washer and I just put on the attachment. Everything was super easy. Look at that foam, guys. Oh, no more paying for car washes, guys. I'm about to be doing this all day at home. I'm gonna definitely need a longer hose, but this is gonna have to do for now. Literally only $100 on Amazon. This is what I get. This isn't any promo, but I decided to buy this Westinghouse one. Literally super easy. You clip this on and you clip it back on like just like this.